Hi, it's Victor with Caldwell Outdoor Equipment, doing a used mower walk around for you guys. This one's currently on sale here. This little Raptor was brought to us in a trade-in where a customer upgraded to a new unit. This thing was brought into our service shop, given our 27-point inspection. So it's got a new tune-up on there, oil change. So the mower runs great. This one does have a 30-day mechanical guarantee on it for you, so you can buy with confidence for us on these used units. Sorry about the traffic, it is a little busy today. If you have any questions about this mower, please do give us a call. Have a great day.